Morning light spills soft across the floor. Coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I felt so tight fades into a quieter kind of vibe. Love what you have right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. To think I'd missed my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a truth. I was searching for more, found it in you. There was a mile marker bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune. Static dancing in the afternoon, and something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you, didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outrun. Yeah, it found you. Windshield hung with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears, and in that moment something shifted view, like I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged knew your name. Never says it, but it feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you. No need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Radio fading, but I still hear it move, like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue, just the song that found you.
Under the sky where the moonlight plays, rainbows dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the light breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. And let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth of a blooming flower. In the quiet, we never sour. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. Let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle